Hello my beautiful people, you're welcome to the Wellness Patron channel. I am Daniela Akpaku and I'm happy to have you here. In this video I'm going to be showing you how I cook my oilless egusi soup. So let's start with our ingredients. I'm going to be using goat meat. I'll be using 1 cup of egusi, a handful of washed bitter leaf, and my flavoring, my seasoning is going to be made from Iru local beans blended with crayfish and salt and pepper. And I'm going to be using 1.5 cup of blended red bell pepper mix, and also my smoked fish. So let's start right ahead by boiling and seasoning our meat. Remember to start to steam your meat first before adding water. With that, you can be able to extract flavoring from your meat, and then add a little bit of water and stock and allow it to cook. Set it aside and then put your pepper mix on the fire and add your crayfish, your meat stock, and your salt and pepper and Iru. Allow it to boil out very well for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can mix your egusi. Now your egusi mix, if you don't want it to dissolve totally into your soup, which I don't actually like, you can mix it into a paste and add it into your soup, and then add your bitter leaf. Let it to cook for a while, and in less than 30 minutes your soup is ready to eat. Feel free to enjoy it with any swallow of your choice. Remember, I am eating mine with banana swallow, but you can eat it with any swallow of your choice. So that's it guys, I hope you enjoyed my video. If you do, please give me a thumbs up, and if you have any feedback for me, please put it in the comment section on how you want me to do these videos better. Remember, I love you and we are in this journey together. So bye.